Hey everyone, welcome to another gameplay of Fallout 76. In today's video we are going to review another camp item which is for free this time in June 2024, and it's called Mr. Fuzzy Cooking Station. And now it's limited only for 3 days. It was for 20 or something days, I don't remember, but I'm getting this on the last 3 days. So if you go to the camp section of the Atomic shop, you scroll down, filter the unused item, and you click on the free Mr. Fuzzy Cooking Station, which says cook up some delicious meals with your pal Mr. Fuzzy. Camp items appear while in camp mode. As you can see on the picture, you can see the size of this cooking station, and beside of some happy people here, some female and male, I don't know, they are cooking something, some barbecue or something. So if you click on the cooking station, unlock for free, it won't take any items, I hope. And we go back to our camp and we go to our build mode and we'll try to find it exactly. It's most probably under the crafting items. Yes, the cooking station. I have multiple options for cooking stations here, and here is the cooking stove Mr. Fuzzy. It takes like 2 steels and 2 wood to build. So if you build it, for example, here, it looks like instantly starts to steam, and it looks interesting. It's a round shaped object in the shape of a head of a Mr. Fuzzy. It's like a bluish white color steaming coming out of its mouth. And now as you approach it, you can try to craft something, and the animation of cooking, it looks very interesting. And as you know, you can perform all the regular things that you can boil and cook on each and every cooking station in your camp. But I can say this looks very interesting, and if you have a more like cartoony stylized camp, this will look fantastic in its addition. I like the small details, like it hits on its nose and it goes open and you can see steam is going. It makes you want to eat something, to make your own barbecue or something. So I definitely hope you won't miss this one. I hope you are playing Fallout 76 now in May and June 2024, because I am not sure will this cooking station will be available again. It's a must in your camp. So I hope you like this video, you like this fuzzy cooking station, and if you think, leave a comment below the video what would you like to see next. And I hope you like this video, and I hope I will see you in the next one.